I've got an uncustomized FabFitFun spring box. So if you want to see what surprises are in store for us, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy on my lap right here, you can see the top of his head, is Bandit. Chloe is doing homework, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So today I have some add-ons and a FabFitFun Spring 2025 Uncustomized Box. You know I always have to do it. I don't know why I have to do it, but I feel like I must. So let's get into this. So I'll pull out my my add-ons first, which is almost, I think it's either all scents or almost all scent, the perfumes. FabFitFun is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. This is their Spring 2025 collection. They always have great sales, and I do have a code down below that's going to save you a little bit of money. I believe it's $10 off of your first box if you've never gotten it and you're interested. Oh, there was one nonsense item. So I did go ahead and order myself a second pair of these mugluck slippers from the winter box, or they were in the winter box because I love them. They were so soft and so cozy, but after you wear slippers for a while, they start to get kind of, so I said, let me get another one because these were like my all-time favorites. Next, I have No Polera Busque Mystico perfume. The scent notes are hibiscus, pepper, and citrus zest, middle notes of honeysuckle and orris, and base notes of cashmere wood. So that sounded nice. They had a few different ones, but I chose this one. I'd never tried this brand before, but I'm going to actually spray it on the box though. Ooh, that is nice. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I definitely smell like a little bit of sweet in there. Next, by St. Jane, is St. Jane times Favorite Daughter. And this is a lip and fragrance oil duo. So we have the lip oil, or nice and light. And then here is that fragrance oil. Ooh, I like that. That's very nice. I'm a little congested, so I can't tell. It definitely has like a little bit of a sweet scent. All right, it says water lily, gardenia, and nectar. Yeah, I can definitely smell something sweet. That must be the nectar. Next, by Juliet Has a Gun, I have the Discovery set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different scents. I'm not going to sniff them all. Let's see, the famous Not a Perfume and the just released Juliet, and 6 creator picks. So there is Lust for Sun, Ode to Dullness, Pear Ink. Ooh, I hope that smells good. Vanilla Vibes, Another Oud, and Musk Invisible. So excited to give those a try. It looks like this one right here is like only filled up here, but I wonder if it's got 2 colors in it. No, I don't think so. I think I got cheated out of some scent. The others are definitely full. So I'll take a picture of that and see if it's supposed to be like that, because all the rest are full, and then this one's only full to there. And then last is the Maison Louis Marie number 9, Valet de Farnay. And this is one of their full size, so not their little mini size, which was what was available as a choice item in the box, in the spring box. This has top notes of grapefruit, orange, and black pepper, mid notes of cedarwood, patchouli, and geranium, and base notes of amber, musk, vetiver, and benzoin. So there we go. I paid $35 for this, and it's usually like a $90-something value. It's not as grapefruity as I thought it would be, but I can definitely smell some grapefruit. It actually has more of that kind of pepper scent, but there wasn't any pepper note to it. So, all right. And then next we're going to look at the items that they put in this. So I have 3 repeats and 3 different things. I'm going to go over the repeats first. And these are things that I customized in my box. So the first is that 8 Other Reasons stack of stretchy bracelets in a gold tone. We have the Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel. I really like this. I was hoping though to get the other scent, but to get the same, but it's nice. And then the third thing is the Desi, and this is the makeup bag or travel bag. So it does have a little handle. It has pockets on each side that you can put. It's got like these little stretchy things to, like little pockets, sorry, to put things in. And then on this side, it has the 2 stretchy things, and it's the same thing on the bottom. So you could, I'm trying to show you, I can't get, here we go. So it's got 2 of these. I'm not really sure what you would use that for, but I guess you figure it out. So this is how thick it goes too. And you do have a little hook in here to hang it. These are detachable, or this one is, that one isn't. This one's detachable. And then in here you have a little zipper pocket in here. You have pockets back here, but it's not one big. It's like several smaller ones. Okay, and that is by Desi. So the 3 new things are by Rose Inc. is the Ultra Black Lash Lift. And I had, I'd gone back and forth. Do I get this? Do I not get this? I don't know. And I ended up like, I've got enough mascara. But here is the packaging. So kind of neat. Never tried that brand. This was another thing that I had in and I took out. So I'm happy to have gotten it here. And this is by Topicals. And it's the Slick Salve Mint Lip Balm. And then by OC is the Ocean Eyes Age-Defying Eye Serum. This is a Best of Allure product. And this was another thing that I thought about getting, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to spend extra on it because I have so many different eye serums and creams and blah, blah, blah. So glad that it came in here. This does have a little roller ball. I don't want to open it up yet, but it does have a little roller ball, and I thought that would be nice. Okay, so those are my add-ons and my uncustomized box. So is it a winner? Was it a great box? Is this a box that you would like to receive? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.